This is a brief tutorial on how to both navigate the Ceramics A course in Schoology and also some of the features that it offers. When you open up the course, you're going to see the course title and your section here. Mine just lists all my sections, so ignore that for the moment. There is also a course icon here, which is obviously an A, which should help you locate the course when you click to your courses and make it easier for you to find. The first thing that's going to pop up is this banner, which has a wealth of resources in it. So first off, if you click this link in the center here, it's going to take you directly to my Zoom course. So for class, you're going to click that link. It's going to take you right in. You're going to click open and open up the Zoom on your computer. Okay. At the bottom here, there's also a bunch of resources. For example, welcome video if you'd like to learn a little bit more about me here. The course navigation videos that you're watching will appear here for Ceramics A and Advanced should you need those in the future. And then also a syllabus here, which will take you right to the syllabus in case you need that. It's in several other places in the course as well. Additionally, my office hours. If you need to set up a time, you can click here and it'll prompt you to set up an appointment time to meet with me through Zoom. All right, so you'll click here, sign up. Contact information if you need to send me an email, additional resources, anything from clay safety. This will be linked, the online course contract, which also appears later. Might be necessary or useful if you need to review some specific Zoom policies for my class or specific material policies, responsibilities, those kind of things. And then the last thing is general district technology information. If you scroll down, you'll notice there are units, and each unit contains several modules. So the unit is the larger area of study. Usually for ceramics, it's going to be a project, okay? And then the modules in that are the different subtopics we cover. On occasion, they might also be organized, those modules, but might be week 1, week 2, week 3. If I want you to progress through the project in a certain way, hitting certain milestones along the way, but you want to progress through the modules in order. So we would start with Unit 1. I don't technically call things units. I usually refer to it as whatever is here. So whatever the project is called, that's usually what I'm going to refer to it as. But the unit is there if you like that format better. And you're going to proceed through these in order. So, for example, my art course procedures, online course contract, I'm going to click that. It's going to bring up the document, okay, which you would review. Okay, when you're ready to move on to the next thing, you can actually come up here and click the next, and it'll tell you what is next in line, which would be the syllabus to review. If you don't like to do that, you can click the file folder up here at the top and come out and you can click the syllabus and peruse the syllabus, which is next in line here. Okay, so you can kind of figure out which is the easiest way for you to navigate the course. Should you need to print a PDF that's in here, you can also click this, which will pop it out into a separate page, and then you can print from there. Okay, let's back up to the main page here. All right, so on the right-hand side, you're going to notice upcoming and a little calendar icon. This is the calendar feature on each course page, and it offers a running list of the upcoming assignments that are due for the course. So, for example, the assemblage photo project pops up here as due on Friday, August 28th. Ignore that date, that's not when it is actually due. That same assignment is also found over here under the course itself. So it happens to be part of Module 3 project for this unit, which is the assemblage photo project. Okay, so I can click there, I can see the rubric. You will be able to submit here. There'll be a submissions button in your view. Right? You can also get directly to that assignment. If I go back to the main page here and scroll down to my calendar, you can click here and that will take you to the exact same assignment. So there's several ways to get to things, depending on what you're most comfortable with. Okay, that calendar view, you can click here up at the top in the little calendar icon, and you'll be able to see your assignments on the date that they are due. You can click that assignment and you can view it from there. So it's another way to get to the same resource. One of the other things you can do is click updates. And here will be any updates I post for the course. Those are reminders, don't forget, this is coming up, that kind of thing. And then below updates, is grades. If you select grades, you're going to see the marking periods here, and then when there are grades entered, which there will be once school starts, you're going to be able to click here and see all of the assignments that are due, the point value, and if they were turned in. One thing to keep in mind is that when you complete a submission, when you turn in something on Schoology, which you will need to do for basically any graded assignment, is a little paper icon will pop up. I'll put a picture of the icon here so you can see what it looks like, but a little paper icon will come up, and then that means that I received a submission from you. If that icon is not there, you should assume that something went wrong and try to submit again. If submitting again doesn't work, reach out to me with an email. If you have any questions about any of this or need any clarification, you can email me by clicking here and clicking here.